So my video work, Body Language, it responds to the rationale in that it's a really process-driven work that creates and explores a social ecology that is created between performer and camera in the filmmaking process.
Luce Irigaray reinterprets the daughter's resentment towards the mother in 3 parts. Firstly, motherhood suffocates the daughter.
This work is a continuation on a lot of the themes that are evident in my practice. Really intimate themes like the mother-daughter relationship and my relationship with my body. So it's a continuation on those, but it's really an extension on my filmmaking abilities and then my love for cinematography as well. The work exists as a 3-channel projection work. 2 of the screens have some footage of how I interact with my dancer and performer, and also footage that was taken with a camera attached to her body. And then the middle projection is the main narrative work, and so they interact and loop together in a way where I think the audience can see how the work was made and then the outcome of it and how it is so embodied, and that direct experience of camera and dance and body and our relationship as we created it. The use of the camera is really central to this work, and not only the camera as an extension of my body and my experiences, but then the camera when placed on the body of the dancer and how that captures a real embodiment of her experiences.